Hi there, it's Lauren from Storyworks, and I'm very excited to take you behind the scenes of my article, The Evil Swirling Darkness. It's the story of a devastating tornado that struck the city of Joplin, Missouri in May of 2011. The tornado was an EF5, the most powerful kind of tornado. It grew to be 3/4 of a mile wide, with winds that were 200 miles per hour. 6 schools were destroyed. It was the deadliest tornado strike in America in half a century. As the author of the I Survived series, I get many emails from my readers suggesting topics for my books. Over the years, I received emails from people in Joplin suggesting that I write about what happened to their city. In November, I traveled to Joplin and got to meet hundreds of teachers and kids. I learned everything I could about tornadoes and the damage that they can cause. I delved into the fascinating world of storm chasers, the men and women who get up close to tornadoes in order to learn more about extreme weather. I communicated with many Joplin residents who were eager to share their stories about what happened that day in May 2011. I wrote my book, I Survived the Joplin Tornado. But months after I finally finished, the story of Joplin still gripped my heart. I felt like I had more to share about the incredible people of Joplin, so I decided to write an article for Storyworks. My I Survived books are historical fiction. That means that all of the facts are true, but the characters are from my imagination. But my Storyworks article would be a work of nonfiction. Every word would be true. After rereading my pile of books and sifting through pages and pages of research notes, I was tempted to tell you everything. But of course, that would not have made for a successful article. A very challenging part of the writing process is deciding what to focus on. This is such an important step in nonfiction writing, to find a focus. The kind of nonfiction that I love to write is called narrative nonfiction. And this is nonfiction that doesn't just explain the facts. It also tells a very exciting story. What I needed to do was to find a person to focus my story on, which would enable me to tell the story with as much impact as possible. But in the end, I decided to try something a little different for this article. I decided to tell the story through the experiences of different people. 2 brothers, Ethan and Bennett Satterlee, and a famous storm chaser named Jeff Petrowski. As you're reading my article, think about whether or not I made a good decision in trying to tell the story from different points of view. What do you think I accomplished by writing the story in this way? As you can imagine, it was heartbreaking for me to hear about the terrible losses that people suffered in Joplin on that afternoon in May of 2011. So why would I want to share this story with you? It was how, in the aftermath of this terrible disaster, families like the Satterlees managed to pick up the pieces of their lives. They banded together to help their neighbors. They rebuilt their city and their lives. That's the story I really wanted to share with you, a story of hope and strength. The story of Joplin continues to inspire me, and I hope it inspires you too. You can read all about it in this month's Storyworks.